Welcome to comic book time. Today, I'm going to be reading you Dogman and the Two Kitties. We won't be able to finish the entire video, but don't worry, we'll make a part 2. We're just going to read chapter 1, then on our second part, we're going to read chapter 2. Mugman, come on. You're going to ruin it. Holding eggs. Wow! Well, I like everything about this video because I finally get to do it without Mugman messing things up. Alright, let's begin. Alright, here we go. Oh boy, this is going to be great. Hey everybody, we're in the news, and it's a good story this time. Look! Well, that is cool. I can't wait to show Dogman. Hey, where is Dogman? Dogman, oh Dogman. No, wait! No! Stop! Get off! Quit it! Bad doggy. How many times have we talked about this? There's no way for a cop to behave. I am getting tired of this. Tired. Hey, Teeth, you didn't show Dogman the news. Oh, yeah. Look, we're heroes because we saved the world from Flippy. It says here we're scientists. Are going to study Flippy's brain. Who's a good protector? Who wants to protect and starve? Go get him. Go protect him. Gee, Chief, are you sure that it was a good idea? Sure, I'm sure. Why not? Well, Flippy is a dead fish. Remember, Dogman is like to roll on dead fish? He would never do anything like that. Dogman is a good doggy. Clunk. Alright, everyone, we're on chapter 2. Mugman will be reading it next part. Because chapter 2 is, you've got to be kitten me. Get it? Like kitten. Alright, so we're going to end the video. Goodbye. The end.